Peace and quiet are essential for a comfortable, relaxing home, especially in bustling neighborhoods or homes near busy roads. If you live in Meridian, Idaho, and are constantly dealing with outside noise, there's a stylish and effective solution that may surprise you. Casement windows. Casement windows aren't just known for their sleek appearance and energy efficiency. They're also one of the best window styles for natural soundproofing. Whether it's the hum of traffic, barking dogs, or noisy neighbors, installing casement windows can significantly reduce unwanted noise and create a quieter, more serene indoor environment. Let's explore how casement windows can help you soundproof your Meridian home and why they're an excellent investment for comfort, value, and peace of mind. What are casement windows? Casement windows are hinged on the side and open outward like a door using a crank handle. This design allows them to seal tightly against the frame when closed, offering excellent insulation against both air and noise infiltration. Unlike sliding or double-hung windows that have multiple points where air and sound can seep in, casement windows close flush against the frame, leaving little to no gaps. This makes them one of the most airtight and sound-resistant window options available. Tighter seals mean better sound control. Noise travels easily through small gaps or cracks in older or poorly designed windows. Because casement windows lock firmly into place along the entire frame, they prevent outdoor sounds from entering your home. With professionally installed casement windows, Meridian homeowners enjoy a continuous compression seal that blocks sound-reduced vibration compared to sliding sashes, less outdoor noise filtering through small crevices. This design makes casement windows a top choice for bedrooms, home offices, nurseries, or any room where tranquility matters most. Multi-pane glass options enhance soundproofing. Today's casement windows often come with double or triple pane glass, which provides even more insulation from noise. These multiple layers of glass, separated by insulating gas, like argon or krypton, help disrupt and absorb sound waves, reducing how much reaches the inside of your home. For even greater sound control, consider laminated glass. Features a plastic interlayer that absorbs sound vibration, different pane thicknesses, break up sound frequencies for better dampening, special soundproofing spacers and coatings. These features are especially useful for homes near busy intersections, schools, or high-traffic areas in Meridian. Energy efficiency meets noise reduction. Casement windows don't just keep out noise, they also help regulate indoor temperature. Thanks to their airtight design, they prevent drafts and heat transfer, making your home more energy efficient. That means lower heating and cooling costs, more consistent indoor comfort, reduced workload on your HVAC system. You'll enjoy a quieter home that's also more comfortable and cost-effective to maintain throughout the year, especially during Meridian's cold winters and warm summers. Stylish and functional for any room. While soundproofing and energy savings are top benefits, casement windows also offer a sleek, modern look that can enhance any room's aesthetics. They provide Uninterrupted views of your outdoor space. Maximum ventilation when open. Custom sizes, colors, and finishes to match your home's style. Whether you're updating a master suite or remodeling a home office, Casement Windows combine form and function for an upgrade you'll notice every day. Professional installation matters. To get the most out of your soundproof casement windows, it's essential to have them professionally measured and installed. Even the most advanced window will underperform if it's not installed with precision. Work with a trusted Meridian window installer to ensure proper sealing and insulation, and secure fitting to eliminate gaps. Long-lasting performance with minimal maintenance. A professional installation guarantees that you enjoy maximum noise reduction and efficiency for years to come. Final thoughts. Find your quiet with Casement Windows. Living in a vibrant city like Meridian doesn't mean you have to deal with constant noise inside your home. Casement windows offer a smart, attractive, and highly effective way to block out the chaos, letting you relax and focus on what matters most. Ready to experience the difference? Reach out to a local window expert today to explore casement window options tailored to your home's needs, and enjoy the comfort and calm you deserve.